Yes. Dr. Mindy in the house. All right.
I appreciate that.
The carnivore diet.
Because of what we eat.
Honestly, you've really touched my heart.
What is it that is emerging right now in women? Are you seeing a new form of us living a unique life that's not as cookie cutter as maybe my mom had, or as grit oriented and overworking as I've been taught? Is there something new emerging for women?
I think the shift that's happening is this notion of self-choosing and self-advocacy, and really connecting with what we want and what we need, right? And so I'm a mother of 3, I'm a wife, I'm a business owner, I'm a teacher, I'm all these things. And still I have to remember to prioritize myself and to choose myself. And so when I show up in my relationship, in my friendships, in my work, as a mother, I'm full, right? So I think that that's really how we are, just riding the wave, is like leaning into what self-choosing means. What does it mean to choose myself, so that when I show up in my work, in my household, in my relationships, that I'm not showing up empty, that I'm not dry, right? That I am full and overflowing, so that those around me can reap the benefits of that abundance. So I know a lot of my clients say, I'm just trying to figure out what I want and need. And I want to choose myself. And I think that that's kind of where we are right now, which is extremely beautiful. Curiosity is, who am I? And I could ask the same question 1,000 times and everyone's answer will be different, but will be aligned with the person next to them in some way. And I just find that that's what's special about writing, is that it brings us together, not only to our communities, but closer to ourselves.